Still taking painkillers every time your back or knee hurts? Well, you are not alone, but this is just like turning off an alarm without putting off the fire. I am Dr. Gursimran Singh, and in this video I will help you understand why painkillers might be making your pain worse or life worse, and how physiotherapy can help you recover faster and give you long-term relief. Well, we will start with what painkillers actually does. Painkillers can mask your pain. They block the pain signals going to your brain, but they do not work on the root cause, which can delay the treatment. Now we need to understand what are the harms of taking painkillers. Well, painkillers can help in short term by lowering the inflammation and pain in an acute case, but in long term treatment it gives you gut problems. It can put strain on liver and kidney. In case a patient who is taking opioid as painkiller, it can cause addiction in those patients, and it delays the proper treatment. Now I'll talk about what physiotherapy actually do. Well, in physiotherapy, physiotherapist identifies the real cause. They identify the real problem by examining and assessing the patient, and then a physiotherapist uses various techniques such as movements, strength training and postural correction to relieve the pain. The patient become more resilient, and the relief is long term, and the pain can be reduced significantly or permanently. And according to a research by APTA, physiotherapy can reduce the opioid use by 89% in musculoskeletal problems. So we can say that while painkillers can reduce the pain temporarily, physiotherapy can rewire the movement to stop it permanently or reduce it significantly. So in conclusion, do not take pills every time you feel pain, and ask why you are having this pain. Go to a physiotherapist and get yourself examined, assessed and treated for the problem, treated for the root cause. So I am Dr. Gursimran Singh from Physiomechanist, and I help you recover faster, smarter and not slower. So for more videos like this, like, follow and share. Thank you.